Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to work on a project called UIImageView animation. So in this project we'll be having some set of images which we will play on UIImageView. So let's get started with the project. You have to launch Xcode 6 beta or Xcode 6 version, whatever you have. Uh, let's click on a single view animation. Okay, let's image view animation. Okay, make sure you have selected a Swift language here. We will be targeting iPhone for this tutorial. Click on the next. We'll save it. Cool. So what we can do is we can click here and we can set the device orientation to portrait. We'll click on view controller. Let's directly jump to the storyboard. For this project, what exactly we need is we need an image view. We need a button. On the action of that, we'll play an animation and we'll stop the animation. So let's go ahead. Let's set the size to. Oh God, it's slow. Let's set this view controller size to. Yeah. So we'll set it to portrait. Size, we'll keep it 3.5 inch. Okay, cool. Anything else we have to do? No. So let's set the background of the view to black color because all the images what we have are with the black color. We'll just grab a UI image view, we'll put it here. We'll set the image view size to say like it's 96, I think. Yeah, 96 because all the images what we have is of a frame of 96 cross 96. So here we go, we have an image view. Now we'll take a UI button. Okay, so like let's add this text. Okay, we'll center it. We'll set the text to start animation. Okay, so on a click of this we'll start an animation. So what we'll do, we need to grab images. So I have kept images on the desktop, so just open this folder. We'll just copy paste, we'll drag it to the Xcode. Make sure you have selected this copy item if needed. Cool. So what we do, we just go here, we click on this icon, we'll set a bomb image. So it's an explosion animation. When you click on a button, the explosion animation will play. So let's go to the view controller. What exactly we need here is we need a UI image outlet. So let's go to this window, open this, just shrink this to this point, and what we're gonna do here is this a view controller, image view controller. We'll click on this, also touch up inside action. Okay, so we say animation button click. Okay, this is the action what we said. We need an outlet for this button, so animation button. Okay, cool. What else we need? We need an outlet to the image view. My image view. Cool. So all the setup is done. What we're gonna do now, we need an array. We need to declare an array which will take care of, which will keep all the images. So say we say where we need image view image list. So we'll say we have a list of images. It's a UI image object. UI image. UI image of it contains UI image. So I think that's correct. So the declaration is image list. Now we need to fill this array. So let's get into viewDidLoad method. We'll say for I in, we have the set of images. If you see 1 to 13, so we'll say 1 dot 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 13. Okay, what exactly is required? Say we let image name equal to, we need to construct a string image string, say 1 2 3 4 5 6, that we will do in a loop. So we'll do double quotes slash and we'll set I. So it will take an I image and it will give us an image name. So we'll add it to the image list array equal to UI image, okay, named, we have an image name. Done. So our array has now all the images. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a function start start animation. Okay, the return type what we have for this method is void. So if we don't mention that, it will be okay. So we have a return to void. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna provide our image view with the set of images. Okay, so what we are gonna do, my image view dot animation images, I think is yeah, animation images, we're gonna provide a image list array. Cool. So my image view dot start animating. Cool. So on a click of a method, this is the method. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say start animation. We're gonna call this method. So this is how the outcome gonna look like. Good. So this is how it's gonna look like. Good God, it's damn slow. So this is how we can see it on a screen. We have a bomb, we have a button called start animation. On a click of that, we will be calling this method called start animation. What exactly the method is doing, we have an image view, we are providing the image view with the image list array, and then we are saying image view start animating. So let's click, this is the start animation. Now what we want to do is, if it is animating, on a click of this button, we'll stop the animation. So let's directly jump into this method. What we're gonna do is we're gonna check, it's slow. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna check here if our my image view is animating property. Okay, if it is not animating, then we'll animate. Else, if it's not animating, we'll animate. Else we'll say my image view dot stop animating. Okay, and what we'll do, my image view, okay, and dot image. What we are gonna do here is image, okay, name, okay, so we're gonna mention the image name. We gonna set, we have a button name is animation button. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna just check. So this is how it's gonna look like now. We'll just run the project. So here we go. Now what we are going to do here is when we click on a start animation button, it will start animating, and then we need to stop the animation. So this is the animation is started, the text has changed to stop animation. You click on it, it will stop. So thank you guys for watching the tutorial.